My name is Popoola. I'm from Nigeria. My mom was having a new problem, osteoarthritis of the right knee. So we were looking for treatment option in India. So we came in contact with Satyug Medical Tourism. They are the company that help us with the search for treatment options in India by comparing prices from different hospitals, and so we, based on the estimation of the cost, we had to choose BLK Hospital. So we had our surgery at BLK Hospital, and the hospital was a nice structure. They have good facilities and experienced doctors and nurses. So we had good treatment. Also, Satyug Medical Tourism also helped us in search of accommodation and general assistance. They've been so helpful to us, and we really appreciate Satyug. And Dr. Bhushan was the surgeon that did the operation for my mom also. He is very experienced, and he did it perfectly. So, and he's also the head of unit of BLK Hospital. What I like most about that man is that he's highly experienced. He's a very experienced doctor. He's very attentive to patients. He gives the utmost care to patients, and is one of the best doctors in Delhi when it comes to orthopedic surgery. BLK Hospital, they'll be so helpful. So I will always recommend BLK Hospital for anybody that's looking for this kind of surgery that has to do with knee replacement. BLK is a very good option. As well, if you are coming to India for any medical treatment, it's very good for you to have a company like Satyug Medical Tourism that will give you the general assistance you need, so that you don't fall victims of fraudsters and 419s. So I really appreciate it.